Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix video recording not working issue on Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, so open quick settings panel, just swipe down and click on this power icon and click on restart. Again click on restart, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, scroll down and click on camera app and click on forward stop. After click on forward stop, click on OK. Go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, click on again settings app. Scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, scroll down and click on camera app. After click on camera app, click on storage and click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, click on clear data and click on delete. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it is still not solved, click on settings app, scroll down and click on software update and click on download and install. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix video recording not working issue on Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.